He's taking a bath. It's amazing what God can, the instincts He gives them. Nobody's shown him how to take a bath, yet he's taking a bath. Amazing little bugger. Gonna fly away. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's happy. He's making happy sounds. As long as he doesn't try it in the pool, I guess it's good. He's sleeping outside tonight. June 6th. Hey, babes. Where'd you go? Gonna dust off now? Fluff those feathers? Hi, you coming? Sorry about the bad stuff. Look at him coming up here saying, I can get it.